Tonight and tomorrow is one of the most powerful days of the year. We are going to be celebrating the Hilulah, the passing of one of the greatest sages of all times, which is Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, known as the Rashbi, the rabbi who brought down the teachings of the Zohar and Kabbalah and so much more. Tonight is one of the most powerful days to pray and to ask Hashem for everything that we need: marriage, kids, livelihood, success, God-fearing, everything that you can think of. Tonight, in the merit of this great tzaddik, is one of the most powerful times to pray. I want to share with you two things in this short video. The first of all is that there's certain things that one can do tonight and tomorrow that will serve as a great merit in order for our prayers to be answered. Certain prayers that we have to say, certain texts that we have to read. What I suggest is we prepared a page on my website where you have all these prayers and texts from the Zohar, from Tehillim and much more, both in Hebrew, Aramaic, and translated to English. You can find the link on the video or beneath the video if you're watching on YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever platform you're watching on. Look for the description of this video for the link. Follow this link, go to the page, you'll see there clear instructions of everything that you need to read. It's not a lot, it shouldn't take you long. Read that, follow the instructions, and pray to the Master of the universe for your personal needs. Anything that you need, don't be greedy. Pray for good, important things. And needless to say, pray for the entire nation of Israel, the entire world to be saved, to be redeemed. It's a powerful, powerful day. So please follow the link. All the instructions will be on that. And like I said, it's not long, it's easy. Do that and then pray from your heart. The next thing that I want to share with you, unfortunately this year the Israeli authorities do not allow to have the regular celebration in Mount Meron where the grave of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai here is buried. In previous years we had 200, 300 and even more than that, 200 and 300,000 people coming up to the grave to pray there with a huge bonfire, with music all night, learning Zohar from morning to night. Unfortunately, this year they don't allow that. They allow a very small amount of people to go to the grave. As I do every year, I go to the grave and pray there, and I pray there for many, many people. This year, I am not sure I'll be able to get into the grave, but I am lucky enough and I'm blessed by the Master of the universe to live in one of the most holy cities in the world, the city of Tzfat, where I do have access, and I will be going in a few hours to the grave of the Arizal, the holy Rabbi Yitzchak Luria, one of the biggest pillars of the teachings of Kabbalah. We do know that the Arizal, Rabbi Yitzchak Luria, is an incarnation of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. There's a great hint that how do we know that? Based on teachings, but there's also an amazing hint. Tonight's Sefirah, Omer, counting is Hod Shebehod, which is the fifth Sefirah, because we have Chesed, Gvura, Tiferet, Netzach, Hod. It's 5, and then Hod Shebehod, 5 and 5. The Arizal, the Holy Ari, died on the 5th day of the month of Av. Av is the 5th month, Nisan, Iyar, Sivan, Tammuz, Av, and he died on the 5th day, on Hey Av. So I will be going in a few hours to the grave of the Arizal to pray for myself, to pray for Am Yisrael, to pray for the entire planet, and to also pray on your behalf. For the ones of you who can come with me, please do. It's going to be probably full there, but we're still going to go. For the ones who cannot make it, like every year, we take names that you can submit on the same page on the website, and I will pray on your behalf, me and the rest of the men that will be there, Be'ezrat Hashem. My humble request is do not bombard us with thousands of names. As it is, we get thousands of requests. Last year in Meron, it took me 3.5 hours to go through the list of the names, which I gladly do. But please, don't bombard us with thousands of names. Send us a few names of loved ones that you want to pray for. Right next to it, if you want it for health, for sustenance, for getting married, for kids. And I will do my best to pray for everybody. And you can submit the name on the same web page, where you find all the instructions to do it. Probably will be all the way in the bottom. Submit the names, and I will go there in a few hours. Bezrat Hashem, I will pray on your behalf, and I will gladly do it, but you need to also pray for yourself and pray for others. Prayers are the most powerful way to change the reality, change decrees, and change everything from the world above. So take this opportunity on this powerful day, follow the instructions, pray for the Almighty, and Bezrat Hashem, our prayers should be answered, and we should see the coming of Mashiach very soon, very, very soon, with our own physical eyes. Chag Sameach.